Hello friends, so now let's get started with the environmental chemistry. I want to make one point here that this is only for JEE mains, and I have been very concise about the theory because environmental chemistry, as you know, it's not that important. In every 3 or every 2 years there is only one question. So from the previous year's question I have made some points which I am going to present in front of you. So now let's go. Environmental chemistry. So the first point, normal pH of rainwater is 5.6, but when it is accompanied by the thunderstorm which contains nitric acid in it, so the pH will gradually decrease from 5.6 to the lower value because the acidic strength of NO3 is higher, which decreases the pH. Now smog, which is one of the most famous topic of this chapter. Smog. What is smog? So smog is made up of hydrogen sulfide, water vapor, oxide of nitrogen and sulfur plus smoke in it. It is opaque and dark. It causes allergy, asthma and other diseases. There are two types of smog. First smog, classical smog. So classical smog is also called as London smog, sulfurous smog, or it is also called as reducing smog. And it gets formed in presence of low temperature and reducing environment. It consists of H2S, SO2, smoke and dust. Two main points I have mentioned here. One is it is sulfurous smog and it consists of primary pollutants. So these are the two important points of classical smog, that it consists of primary pollutants like H2S, SO2, and it is also called as sulfurous smog, and it is reducing in nature. Now photochemical smog. So it is made up of secondary pollutants also called as Los Angeles smog, and it is brown when intense solar radiation is there, and it is gray when less solar radiation are there. So it is of two colors. Okay, it is formed by hydrocarbons in presence of nitrogen oxides, and the products formed are ozone, PAN, aldehyde and phenol. So the three distinct points between classical and photochemical smog is that the classical smog is sulfurous smog, while in it the sulfur is absent. Second point, it is reducing in nature. The classical smog is reducing in nature. Look here, this point. But it is oxidizing in nature. This point, it is oxidizing in nature. And the last point, it consists of primary pollutants and it consists of secondary pollutants. Secondary pollutants like hydrocarbon and nitrogen oxide, and it consists of H2S, SO2. One main point, in this sulfur is present, in this sulfur is not present. So main distinction between them. Now about the ozone layer, which is very easy topic and most of you must be knowing about that. So a stratospheric ozone layer blocks the ultraviolet rays, not the infrared rays, only ultraviolet rays from the sun. Because, and why it is important, because UV rays, as you already know, it causes skin cancer in human beings, and it is also very harmful for the plants because it disrupts the photosynthesis process in the plants. Now you have already know about DO and BOD, I think so. So the main points, because in this short video I am only focusing on the main points of this chapter because it's very least important chapter. So DO above 6 ppm is good for fishes in the river water. DO should be above 6 ppm, which was one of the questions of JEE mains, and clean water would have a BOD of less than 5 ppm. So for the drinking water it should have ppm of less than 5. So BOD should be less than of 5. Now Bhopal gas strategy, you must already know. The gas in that was methyl isocyanate. So hope this short video you must have liked it, because it was very least important topic, so only some important points were there, and mainly smog was very important for JEE mains. So that's why I have distincted it, and I paid some more attention to that only. So in the next video, see here, I want to revise GOC from this and also from the material of resonance. So if you want that, so please let me inform. I will make a video on that. So thank you.